Hey everybody, how you doing this week? Got my mirror going again. That's working pretty damn good, I think. I'm in the exact same spot as last week. Got the exact same gun. Yeah, I'm gonna try it a little bit better. I'm about an hour earlier than I was. So instead of seeing the birds come out of the grain fields coming back into the grass, I'm watching them from the grass into the grain fields. But they fill up, they'll come back in the grass. There are still some in the grass, I'm sure. And I got a pretty good wind, southwest. We're gonna head out there. Those ridges run northwest. And birds, I think, are going to be just over the tops of them out of the wind, but they're going to be up high yet. Just going to walk that tree over there, get on that ridge, walk down this one, walk over, walk back up that one. Let's go do. And I got more ammo with me this week. But we're supposed to have some pretty solid wind blowing all day long. It's been blowing about 3 days. I didn't even attempt it yesterday. It was gusting to 40 by the newsman. That's pretty healthy wind. If you've never hunted grouse out here, when you're out here and the wind blows, they're really spooky. They'll get up 300-400 yards ahead of you, if not farther. Very difficult to get close to them. Don't know why, they just don't like it. Whether they can't hear you come and they see you, they just get the heck out of Dodge. There goes one. That was right down here. Ooh, that's kind of cold on the fingers. I got a pair of buckskins on. Buckskins with no insulation. Got a few ducks sitting on a puddle of water. Damn, look at that. There's 3 grouse sitting right on the dirt. There's a 4th one come from somewhere. Hey, come back around here. I'll shoot you flying by like ducks. Maybe these 2 will come back around, huh? No, they don't want to play that game. I was just thinking about turning around, going back up the hill. Get back up on that ridge and walk the other side, but there goes the ducks. Maybe they're down low. I'm gonna finish this out, walk that draw, and then we'll get over there. I actually seen 2 of them grouse on that mud, on that dry spot. Maybe they're down getting a drink of water. Yeah, maybe. All right, we just did a battery change. Like I was just saying, that's private property, but this fence line, I haven't even gotten 1 mile north. I'm still in the original section. There's another section, and I think 2 or 3 more with some little broken up parts. You can see some kind of a grain field there. That red stuff, that's on that side. So you can go a long, long, long ways. A lot of walking. I've hunted out here ever since we were kids, and there's places I've never set foot. That's a hawk. Go on and shoot them. Oh, that's a sandhill. What the hell is that? It's a big old crane. What the hell he's doing out here by his lonesome? See, sand hills, you usually see 20,000 of them, you know. should have took a poke at that one. Come on, Emil. Ten to 1, it says I'm shooting behind him. Not a clue, folks, not a clue. They were sitting down there and they watched me, and then after I got by, or they actually came back out of that green fields. I don't know. Lots of birds out here though. God. Look at this, look at this. Well, let's not look at that. They got right up here about 100 yards, went that way, got with the wind. That was on the edge, I don't know. But it's worth taking a shot, you know. If you don't shoot, you ain't gonna hit them. Well, maybe we got that one or two up here that didn't get the message. Well, since I've had boots on the ground, there's a pickup. There was 4 of them down by that pond. Walk up that draw. Look at them son of a bucks. They're getting up out of the corn, they're coming. Boy, I hope you can see them. They're just moving to another place in the corn. Are they coming back to the grass? Well, a long ways away, they drop down below the horizon. Oh yeah, look at that, they're coming back to the grass, right above the pickup. Probably 30, maybe more. Oh, I'd love to see where they sit down at, but say they drop down below the horizon. I had my glasses on, I could still see them, but I got wearing contacts, and a lot of detail. They're that way. They might have sat right down there where them ones were, right by that water. I really don't know. I think they went farther north. They're going to be up that way. So, if we find them, we find them. If we don't, we don't. We'll find some others. That one should have fell out of the sky. Those birds are right in that grain field, right there. Got up right there. Yeah. Okay, now what have we seen? 4, 10, 14. There's about 10, 12 of them there, wasn't there? We'll call it 20. Getting up right out there. Sit down and I'll walk you up here in 5 minutes. They're gonna do it. Good birdies. Those are the birdies we like best. Just over that horizon, over that hill, over that hump. I should be starting down here, walk that ridge, or this draw. But right over there, I see 3 of them set in there, so hey. As soon as I hit the top of this hill, that's where I lost them, but they were going down, so they could be anywhere within 50, they might be 300, you don't know. Any more coming? There they go. 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at them getting up. God dang it. Remember I said about wind? They are spooky. But I knew it when I left home. It's still fun. Got a flopper. Yay, we're on the scoreboard. One loner, that's kind of the way I like them. One gets up, you shoot it, you go fetch it. Okay. Well, where'd he go? There we go. Still got a little kick in him. Uh-oh, got some blood. YouTube's gonna be mad. In the vest he goes. Oh boy. More blood on the gun. We're breaking her in, folks. Breaking her in. I'll have to show you this bad boy sometime. Just bought it. Absolutely love it. Man, I shot way behind that one. Way behind. She was right up on top of this hill. Up enjoying the wind. should have maybe taken a poke at that one too. I seen that one get up off the ground. I'll never get any closer if you can see them on the ground. Oh, that's a hard one to find. Right up here on the top, damn near. Thing I got short grass for most of it. Any luck I get close, he'll start flipping and flopping. You're kidding me. Is that it? Deader in a pickle? No, he is not. Unload. Oh boy. See the horns on that bad boy? A lot of walking. Oh boy. I can't believe I found that. Way over there, about 75 yards. Where I popped him at, and he flew this far. Well, there was the opportunity for my double, but I barely got a single. You know what, there could be more. I'm gonna go back over there. It's only 200 yards to that fence. Alrighty folks, I'm gonna tie it up today. This wind, it must be like 35 non-stop with some 40 thrown in every once in a while for entertainment purposes or something. It is crazy. It just takes all the fun right out of it. I did get 2 of them. I shot at a couple more. Maybe should have had them. Maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. I give you a lot of times I give you a 360. Right there, there's the grain field. That's what's holding them birds in the area I'm hunting. There's Prairie Dog Town right up there. All that red stuff you can see right there. I don't know if you can see that or not, this GoPro. Get up over the truck. Not much of a road to get here, but that's all it takes. That's where I was at today, out there in all that grass. Private, private, more private. Got to go back to work 5 days, come out and do her again. Hope you hang 10 and join me next week.